Babe? Babe! Babe!
Hey, what's wrong?
Did you go to the store and get the coffee?
Yeah.
Well, where is it?
Oh, I put it up here. Here you go. What?
Put it back.
You don't want the coffee?
Put it back. I'm a man.
I thought you wanted the coffee.
We put stuff in these drawers right here. You see this right here? You see this? That's where the coffee goes. We don't use those.
My apologies, sweetheart. Didn't mean to emasculate you. Next time I'll put the coffee there.
You know what? I'm just gonna go. Where is my...
Put the coffee where you're supposed to go. Like I'm your slave.
Where's my jacket?
I washed it.
Oh, okay, so okay.
Oh no, baby. It's in the dryer.
In the dryer? You put it in the dryer?
Yeah.
You know we air dry my clothes?
Yeah, but I thought it would be faster in the dryer.
In it.
I'll get it for you.
No. I'm a man. I'm gonna need SWAT.
Say what now?
I'm gonna need you to SWAT. Alright.
I swear. Nonsense. Oh.
There we go. There we
Bye.
Let me tell y'all a thing of three. It's pronounced ka-ni-gra. Now subscribe.
Come on.
go.
I gotta go down. Okay, all right. Move, teacup.
Alright, go ahead.
You up?
I'm not
Okay.
on you.
Oh no! I cannot. Oh hell no! Hell no! It's I can do it. I'm good. No, I can't start from a squat though. Let me see. Okay. See? Now I can't. I just can't start from a squat position. Back. So we're gonna fake it. I'm gonna get down. He get on my back, and then you cut to his close up. We're gonna put him down because of my legs bending up. Because nigga, you got too much muscle. That's why you so heavy.
Rolling and action.
Hold on, real quick. Hold on.
Go ahead.
Coffee.
Oh, the
God
coffee.
damn. Thank you. You're like, nigga, have the coffee though.
Nah, cause as soon as I open it.
Wish I would. He can stop. So, we just shot a fire ass sketch. A bunch of fire ass sketches.
We just killed it. It's a fire skit.
Yeah, so y'all make sure y'all subscribe. What's your channel, Key1?
The Good Show.
Make sure y'all come to the Good Show, okay?
Yep.
Got some funny shit on there too. So,